If you got a problem on installing xapk file, this video will help you 100%. Hello, I'm from It Mechanics YouTube channel, and help us to get 1000 subscriber by touching the subscribe button below. I downloaded one xapk file and look how I install it. First, change the file type from xapk to RAR file. And go to Play Store and download an app called RAR. Here it is, the app. I already installed it before, so I will go directly to it. Now find the file that you renamed to RAR. Here it is, the file, and it has an APK inside it. And also this file have OBB file, but most xapk file didn't contain this type of file. Go back and long press the RAR file. And press extract here if you want the uncompressed file here, but if you want it to another directory, choose extract. And choose where you want to store the file. And press OK. If you didn't get the OBB FIOE, go to the RAR file and extract the OBB file again. Now move the OBB file to Android, OBB. Now the game worked.